Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jamaica Pancho.
And I'm Mark Artigas, and we're here to ask our fellow psyches why they joined Unsay Chika.
Alright.
Ayan, let's go!
So for our first interviewee, what I do?
What's your name? Introduce yourself.
My name's Kate from Cinematography.
And why did you join Unsay Chika?
I joined Unsay Chika because I heard that the environment of this committee is so healthy and I want to be healthy. Hashtag happy living. Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Kate Bravos from BSpsych.
And why did you join Unsay Chika?
Kailan ako? I love it here. Yay!
Unya, ipaila-ila niyo mga kagalingon, mga indong.
Hello, my name is Ethan Tuya. Ni-join ko og Unsay Chika because nalingaw ko magawanuban sa mga inspired people.
Kung bibitaw ng mahinahon ako pa.
Hello, my name is Eugene, and the reason why ni-appeal ko Unsay Chika is I wanted to meet new people para mag-D&D.
And now we're here with our writer and also our cinematographer.
I'm Aidan, and I joined because why not?
Ako si Iman, I joined because bet na ko.
Karon ginakuyogan ta sa set design committee.
Yay! Nganong nangapil mo og Unsay Chika?
Hi, so I'm Phoebe and I just joined kasi di ko ganahan ma-FOMO.
Hi, I'm Isa and I joined because I thought it would be fun.
Hi, I'm Althea. Nag-appeal ko para sa aircon sa library. Hi, I'm Hanan and I joined to meet new people.
Hello, I'm I and I joined because gidagit ra ko.
Ipag-glow ra ba ni si Kimi? Ba't siya glow nga filter?
Pwede ra po.
Karon, mangutan na sa ta sa ato ang head, shoulders, knees, and absent dato ang toes.
Hello, I am Kimi and I am the chairperson and I joined Unsay Chika because I wanted to have a very fulfilling first year.
Hi, I'm Chin. I joined Unsay Chika kay gi-pressure kong Kimi.
Hello, I'm Justin and I joined Unsay Chika because I got promoted as auditor and treasurer.
And for this segment, we will pass on the mic.
Ayan, alright. Now, back to you, host. Now, I'm going to be asking you, why did you join Unsay Chika?
I joined Unsay Chika because according to Ising's EPQ personality test, I am a choleric and very active.
I joined Unsay Chika kaya apparently kuwangan pa kong ulaw sa akong kinabuhi.
Yeah!